Today we will cover the topic is Microsoft Sentinel. So I will discuss today what is Microsoft Sentinel and how to we can configure Microsoft Sentinel and how to we can connect our Microsoft Sentinel with our own premises server. So this the three topic I will cover for first part. Second part I will show you how to the incident report will be reporting through Active Directory. So first we will cover with the basic topic configuration and how to we can connect this Microsoft Sentinel. Okay. So first, what is Microsoft Sentinel? What is Microsoft Sentinel? Microsoft Sentinel formally is called Azure Sentinel. Microsoft every time changes names. It's also changed this name also. Before is called as Azure Sentinel. Now is calling for Microsoft Sentinel. Is a security information and event management system, security orchestration, automation, and a response solution. Microsoft Sentinel deliver intelligent security, analytic, and threat intelligence across the enterprises. With the Microsoft Sentinel, you get a single solution for attack detection, threat visibility, proactive hunting, and threat responsibility. So I will just tell you one example. You are working like a security administrator. So you have different computer, different servers and different places in servers and everything. So you cannot manage everything. Okay, what is the security, what is the updations, and what is going on? It's very difficult. So you can think about this everything coming in one place. You can manage and everything will be automated. You can see everything is automated. So Microsoft Azure Sentinel or Microsoft Sentinel will be provide this type of service. Everything coming in one place, you can visibility, you can get to the attack and detection, threat visibility, proactive hunting, and threat response. Everything in one is very good solution, and Microsoft will dedicated to provide for us. So this is Microsoft Sentinel. And after you enable Microsoft Sentinel, what they will checking your system. So next slide I will show you. Microsoft Sentinel enable collect your data at cloud scale from many different sources, detecting previously undetected threats, investigating threat with artificial intelligence, automating response to detecting the threat. So it's very good solution. Nowadays Microsoft will be working hard and providing every time threat hunting, and their artificial intelligence solution is very good for us to this one. So now this is Microsoft Sentinel. After enabling collecting your all data with a different computer, and they will give you event report and a detection report and threat hunting and everything in one place. So now you I think now you can understand what is Microsoft Sentinel. So next step, we need to how to we can configure this Microsoft Sentinel. So the step I will show you how to we can configure this one. Configuration step. The first step, we need log analytic. After that, deploying our Sentinel, then installing data connector. So first creating log workspace. We need workspace, log workspace. After that only Sentinel we can install. So I will show you how to we can do this one in the Microsoft Azure portal. Okay, we will go for Azure Microsoft portal now. So this is our Microsoft Azure portal, portal.azure.com. Then what we need to do, we will search Microsoft Sentinel. Microsoft Sentinel. Click the Sentinel. So here, create Microsoft Sentinel. We click this one, create Microsoft Sentinel. So after that, what's they showing? No workspace found. See, first step, you will go for creating the Microsoft Sentinel. Now showing no workspace found. So our first step, creating the workspace. So now I will create one workspace. I will create one new workspace. So I will select my resource group. After that, I will give my name for whatever the Sentinel resource group RJ, whatever the name you want, and you need to give the tag. You can give tag is one of the best things. Give the tag, but now sorry, now demo purpose I will not give the tag. Okay, so review and create. So just wait for little time, because after creation, okay, I will click. Now validation is completed. I will click create button. So our one first step finished, and we are waiting for after completion of this deployment. So I will go for creating log analytic. Now log analytic place we will complete it. After that we will deploy the Sentinel. So I will check what is going on here. Still this one. Okay, just wait for little time. Okay, yes, I will back now. Now our deployment status is succeeded. So we will go to resource group, or you need to no need to go. See, the Sentinel RG is now deployed log unlocked workspace. So now we will go again Microsoft Sentinel. Okay, then create Microsoft Sentinel. You can see now the workspace is there. So what we will do, just add this workspace in click add button. So now Microsoft Sentinel will be add this workspace. What's the purpose of, because you are using this Microsoft Sentinel will be creating more log analytics, so need the workspace, sorry, need the storage space to create this one. So this is the particular things. So now also you see in the Microsoft Sentinel free trial activate for 1 month you can get, and you can test yourself and you can understand what is this one. And because this is one of the best solution, you can understand yourself what is inside of this one. Okay, so now what we, okay, so we are waiting for completion or no. So see, successful add Microsoft Sentinel. So now Microsoft Sentinel step also completed, workspace completed, Microsoft Sentinel set. Now what is the next step? We need to add our one on premises computer to this Microsoft Sentinel. This is our another steps. Okay, so we will install the data connector. So what we need? We need the data connector. So we have the Microsoft agent. I will show you how to we can get this software. Okay, so we will go to our Microsoft log workspace. Okay, just to go to Microsoft portal, go to your resource group. So you can go for resource group. Then after that you see here log analytic workspace. Don't go for first time in the Microsoft Azure Sentinel, because we needed to install our agent. So we will go for Sentinel log analytic workspace. Then here you can see get started with log analytic. Log analytic collect the data from variety of your source and use a powerful query language to give your insight into the operation, application and resource. Use Azure to access the complete to the set tool on monitoring of your Azure resource. Connector a data sources. So how this one connected data source? How to we can connect the data source? So Azure Virtual Machine we need to connect very easy step. I will show you this one. Just to click this one. So after click this one, click this one. Just to connect. Click this connect button. This automated process they will do everything automatically. Okay, because VM1 I am using like our on premises. Okay, I just to go for now how to I will show you on premises data. Now connect with the our Sentinel. Now the VMware already connected. I will configure already connection step. So now I will go to back. I will go to back here. We needed to connect Windows and Linux agent manager. This one is like our on premises Microsoft or Linux device. How to we will connect? We will click this one. After that, here showing you need to download agent 64-bit or that whatever the agent you want. Download an agent your operating system, then install and configure it using the key for your workspace ID. You will need to workspace ID and the key to install the agent. So we need to download this application. So this one start downloading. I am already downloaded and I copy and paste in our on-premises device. So I just go for there. See, this my server. See here already I copy this one. So same this one I just now installing. Wait for. Okay, I click next. Then I will agree. Then next. Then here, connect the agent to the Azure Log Analytic point. Connect the agent to the Microsoft Azure Log Analytic service and let you choose the workspace that agent user register with for more informative use. Connect with agent to System Center operations. Currently, we are using connect our agent with Azure Log Analytic. So I select this one. Then I click next. Then what we need, workspace ID and workspace key we need. So what I do, I just copy for that workspace key and workspace ID I copy and I paste here, and next primary key also I copy and paste here. So here we need to commercial and user, so we are going to commercial. Then next, so use Microsoft update when if you need you can click, but in demo purpose I am not using. I just go for I don't want Microsoft update, just click then install. So after installation it take time, maybe it's like a 5 minutes or 3 minutes 2 minutes. After that only it's work. So I just go for our Sentinel workspace. So after that here will be coming, but it take time. So I just come back after the completion of the installation. Okay, after installation, see now two Windows computer is connected. See, I just again refresh. I will show you the portal. See, now our two server is connected. So this is the solution. You now understand how to you can install the agent in the Microsoft on-premises device and how to you can connect this one. So this step we completed for our topics. So and also you need to know about this one. Not only this method, you can also connect it with the Microsoft Azure Arc solution also. You can connect, because just add your Microsoft server device and just go to click. But now I will not cover this area. I will cover after the part 3 for how to we can connect using Azure Arc also. Okay, I think you are now like my videos. If you like, just subscribe. Okay, and the part 2 will be coming, and how to, at that time I will show you the Microsoft completely Azure Sentinel for the connectivity of the computer and how to we can utilize and how to we can add to the thread. Okay, now the part will be completed. Thank you so much. If you like my video, just subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.